Hi, this is Mel from Making Journals, and today we will flip through this junk journal. This is a traveler's notebook size junk journal I created with you on camera. This is the one I did before off camera, but I showed you a whole flip through to this one with this really many buttons on it. I love it so much. So I will put this aside because we want to flip through this journal. So I did it the same way. These buttons are all glued on, as you can see, and I put on a broken necklace I don't wear anymore. So it's another dangly. This has two signatures, and I put on little eyelets, and this is the back. And I did some sewing and put on some tabs. It has an elastic closure, and it measures 11 by 22 by 2.5 centimeters. This specific one I will use to write letters to one of my two pen pals. I've not decided to which of the two of them, but I will decide later. So let's just flip through. So I use scrapbooking paper, printables, tabs, and labels and stickers. This is a cardboard or cardstock sticker. So this is a sticker. Book pages, and these are stickers, but they did not stick so well, so I used some clear tape to make them stay in place. Washi tape, stickers, printables, and I will use the shops I used down below in the info box. So for example, this printable is from Johanna Clough. This printable label is from a shop on Etsy, but I don't remember the name because I used 3 shops with different labels, and I use some of these in this journal. So I will just put all the used shops down below in the info box. This is a card I created by myself. This is a little laminated card you can write on with using a CD or DVD marker. Sticker. This paper I bought on Amazon, and it's a bit thicker. This is from a paper pad. Here I put on something so that I can write on it better. This is a printable, stickers, book pages, and so on. So stickers, again, this I dyed by my own, this I dyed by my own, this is the die card, this is the sticker again, and so on. So I should just flip through and show you the final journal to give you some inspiration. Here's another pocket, double pocket. So I use this to-do list thing, and this is from a paper pad. So I put it in like this, and then this upside down, just because it looks funny. Okay. Some more writing space. This is from an old calendar. I put on some labels onto this book pages so that I can write on it. This is a really lovely sticker. Some more of these labels, some more tabs, scrapbooking paper, some more labels. This is a sticker, stamp, label, and so on. Some more stickers. Here I put on a bit of paper, and I did a bit of stamping. I put on some paper so that I can write on this background thing. Here I put in this little tear-away notepad out of some leftovers. And this card, this is from a paper pad from Stamperia. This is the same paper as I have on here. Just a few other colors. I did a bit of stamping here and there. Here I did some stenciling. I don't know if you can see it so well. Maybe now. Here I did a bit of stenciling. And so on and so on. So as I said before, hopefully this flip through video gives you a lot of inspiration. And if you're interested in the flip through of the other journal I showed you in the beginning, just make sure to check out my channel because I put it online too. And if you're interested in how to create and decorate this journal, then take a look through my channel too. Here I put in 2 more of these papers. They are a bit cream on the back side. And some more labels from the different shops. This is a little stamped card from a paper pad. And if you're interested how to create a journal like this, and maybe you want to recreate it or want to just watch the process, because it's relaxing for me, as it is for me. My gosh, sorry, I have a bit of a headache and I speak a bit bad English today. If you want to check out how to create this because you want to recreate it, or maybe you just want to have fun watching other creators create, as I do, for example, to relax, then take a look at my channel, because I will link down the videos down below in the info box. So now for the closure, it is a bit short, so I cannot pull it around the bottom so well, but this works out. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and hit the little bell, ring the little bell, so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. Take a look through the flip through video for this journal, and if you want to know how to create journals like this, take a look in the info box, because I linked all the things down below I did. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Bye, have a nice day.